All right, I bought these new light bar holders. This is for a light bar that goes on top of the windshield, and also I wanted one for the pod in the front. It's gonna fit on like this. So I had to take out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's gonna replace this right here. So I'm gonna take this apart, put this up. This comes with a pad that goes on the back side back here on the bottom. So I'm gonna peel off the back of this and stick it on here so these holes line up. All right, I got that pad on. Now I'm gonna take these strips off. I got one for this side and one for this side. That way it doesn't scuff up the body of the Jeep. Now that I got the stickers on there and the pads and the holes line up, now I can put this up here and bolt it back on. All right, so I had to unwire some things to get it out of the other bracket, but I went ahead and put this up here and just kind of lined it up. And I just wanted to hand tighten a few bolts to get it kind of where it's gonna be. And before I synced everything down, I just wanted to make sure it looked like it's supposed to. Yep, and so, yeah. Now I think I'm ready to tighten it down. All right, I can say that this bolt is the hardest bolt to get started. So I had put things up here hand tightening, and then I just realized this one wasn't touching. So I actually had to undo all the other bolts just to get this one started. And then once I felt it bite on, I went ahead and started this one a little, then this one, then this one, then this one. And then I tighten, just round and round, tighten them up. But yeah, so that one's on there. I gotta do my wires across here and then go from there. All right, I got the other side off. Wires are here. Got my other bracket. All right, let's put it back on. All right, we're getting there. I will say putting this one on was a little bit tougher getting this started and then also getting these on the outside started. I'm sure that's because it, comes kind of bent to where your windshield is bent, but not exactly perfect. So, yeah. All right, now I gotta hook up all my wires again. Alrighty, here we go. Got my light bar mount all hooked up. Something else is coming. I wonder if you can guess what it is.